In this video, I'm going to show you how you can export or download conversations or information in Slack. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so if you want to download all your Slack data, it is pretty simple. Just head over to your workspace, and once you are here, go to your account name on top here and click on this drop down arrow. Under this, look for the option called Tools and Settings, and under Settings, look for Workspace Settings. Now, if you click on this, it will open a new tab. Go ahead and look for Import/Export Data. Now, if you click on this, you have here this import and export option. Go ahead and choose Export. So we want to download, and therefore export is what will help us. So we can get this from export. Now head down here and then choose export date range. For my case, I like to export for the last 7 days. Now, once you have selected the time range, go ahead and click on start export. Now, depending on the amount of data or files that you have on your Slack, it might take time to export this or to download this. As you can see, the current status is wait, so you have to wait until this is done. And at the same time, if you go back to your Slack and click on Slack bot, you will be able to see here the data that you have exported, and you can see here your Slack import has completed. You can download the file from export page. At the same time, you will also receive an email over the same. So go ahead and click on this export and it will take you to export page, and you can see now the data is ready for download. And here you can see the file data for my conversations. Go ahead and click on download, and all the conversations will be downloaded directly to your computer. Now, if you click on it, you can see we have here our zip file containing all the conversations from Slack. So that's how you can download conversations in Slack. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.